News Channel 5 has followed the case of death row inmate Abu-Ali Abdur'Rahman for nearly 2 decades.
Tonight, while a court still has to decide whether to accept a deal that would take him off death row, his supporters are starting to work on a backup plan.
News Channel 5's Jason Lamb tells us supporters hope to convince Governor Bill Lee to spare Abdur'Rahman's life before his scheduled execution in April.
This is not a gathering defense attorneys for Abu-Ali Abdur'Rahman thought they'd have to plan for.
Abu-Ali Abdur'Rahman offers a powerfully peaceful presence.
Abdur'Rahman is a convicted killer, but an August deal between Abdur'Rahman and District Attorney General Glenn Funk took him off death row over concerns of racial discrimination during jury selection. But a state appeal of that decision has his death row status in limbo, as the state Supreme Court has yet to weigh in.
As a lawyer for many years, I never predict the outcome of a case.
If the court rules Abdur'Rahman should remain on death row, that's where today's effort comes in, a plea to Governor Lee for clemency, in part appealing to Governor Lee's Christian faith, something defense attorneys have tried before.
What God asks of us, requires of us, is to do justice and to love mercy and to walk humbly with our God. So on both grounds of justice and mercy, this is a perfect case for clemency.
In addition to other legal arguments, defense attorneys argued that the death penalty isn't applied equally in Tennessee, with many people convicted of killing several victims given life sentences, while a few who killed only one were given death sentences.
There's no rational basis for distinguishing the extremely few from the many.
Governor Lee hasn't commuted any death sentence since he's been in office. It'll be up to the courts to determine if Lee will have yet another clemency decision to make in the months to come. Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.